If you've ever wished that you could ask your accountant anything, you're in luck because now you can. Welcome to Accounting How To. I'm your host, Carolyn Grimm, and that's my sidekick, Terrence. And today I'm here to answer a viewer question. And this one comes from one of my accounting students, who obviously is going to get an A in the class. And his question was this: is every business doing this basic accounting stuff on their own? Or are they taking stacks of invoices to accountants frequently to have it done? Well, I am here to answer that question. So in days of old, when nights were bold, businesses always had bookkeepers and accounting clerks keeping track of all the little details while the owners and the managers ran the business. Well, with the advent of computers and computerized accounting software, it became possible for anyone, in theory, to do bookkeeping. And that's when it all went to heck in a big leaky bucket. Because not everyone has what it takes to do the tasks of bookkeeping. So the skill set for bookkeeping and the skill set for running a business are very different. So the business owner may have tremendous business savvy, but bookkeeping requires extreme attention to detail. And most business owners I've worked with just don't have that level of focus or interest. And most don't have the training needed to be really good at keeping the books. Not you, of course, because you're watching my video, so obviously you are a cut above all of the rest. So does that mean the business owner shouldn't do bookkeeping? Maybe, maybe not. So there are tons of tools to make the day-to-day tasks easier and faster. Things like bank and credit card downloads into programs like QuickBooks, for example. But someone still needs to look at the transactions and make sure they're being coded correctly to the accounts they should go to so that the financial statements are accurate. Should that be the business owner who does that? Maybe. But if you're a business owner, you need to think about where your time is the most valuable. Is it doing bookkeeping or accounting? I mean, is that why you went into business? Or should your time be spent building the business and increasing your sales and looking for new markets to get into? The more you spend your time doing the little nitty-gritty details, the less time you have to focus on the big picture issues, which is what a business owner needs to focus on. Now, business owners need to understand the numbers of the business, right? You need to know how your business works from a financial perspective. You need to be able to read financial statements, understand what that information is telling you about the health of your business. And you need to understand the costs of delivering your product or your service. And this is really important, you need to know enough about the number side of your business and how that works so that you can keep your bookkeeper, your accountant, your managers honest, right? Because fraud often starts in the accounting records. So you need to know enough to protect yourself. But beyond that, the accounting solution for each business and each business owner needs to work for that particular situation. So what works for a small service business like a pet sitter isn't going to work for a larger manufacturing business. And there's no one-size-fits-all solution. So that's why it takes sometimes someone from the outside looking at your business and saying, I know exactly what will work for you. Get this software, use this app that goes with that software, and it will all work together for you to get you the information that you need. And once the right solution is found, then it's a matter of deciding who's going to oversee that process to make sure that the financial information is accurate and timely and useful. Maybe that's the business owner, but in a lot of cases, it's not the best use of a business owner's time. So if you have questions that you'd like me to answer, drop them in the comments. I'm always looking to hand out A's, even if you're not in my class. So until next time, stay balanced, my friends.